Walk out here.
Okay, sir. Oh my God, sir. Oh my God. Look at that baby. Oh my God. What's up there? I know. Go ahead, sir. Sir, let's walk, sir.
Go to your left. Left. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, that way.
Oh, what?
Go that way.
This way? Okay.
Walk over to my car.
Sir.
Walk to my car. Do you see that car right there?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you hold on to your dog.
Huh?
Your dog's
I know.
small,
He's
but...
fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine, sir.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, it's just for me. Just for me.
What drugs do you take today?
Meth, sir. I'm just tripping so hard.
Obviously. Walk over to my car.
Can I? Okay.
I want you to use your 2 feet and walk over to my car. Look at
Okay.
me. Look at me. Walk over to my car.
Hey, bro. For real?
For real. Walk over to my car.
Okay.
Before I make you walk over to my car and I take your dog.
Okay.
And then guess what? You won't have a dog anymore. Is that what you want?
No, I have...
Step to the front of my fucking car.
Oh, sure, man.
Hold on to your dog.
Hold on.
Okay, sit down.
Oh, shit. Stop.
Sit down.
Okay.
Stay there. Stop. 55, step up cover. Stop. Stop. You hear me? You hear me? Put your hand behind your back.
Sir, stop, please.
You're under arrest.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hello?
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir. Hello? Hello?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Oh, I'm from the Circle K. I'm from the Circle K. I didn't know. Stop, please, stop. Please stop it.
Stop! I'm gonna fucking take you.
There's an open line from the location. No one's taking a dispatch.
Stop resisting! Relax!
No!
Calm down! Stop resisting! You understand that?
Stop it!
Stop! Hey! Calm down, stop moving! Not trying to hurt you!
No,
Okay? Stop!
It's okay! It's okay!
You got it?
She can go! I said that to my brother.
Hobble.
I said that to my brother.
We hobble.
Yeah, gotcha.
Hobble leg tackles.
My brother's got everything.
Hobble leg shackles.
My brother has everything. I said everything.
I don't know.
Stop it! No!
Dog over there. Stop! Stop moving! Hold still!
No!
Relax!
No! Please stop.
454. Hey, calm down. We got an ambulance on the way.
Okay,
Okay? Calm down.
Stop it. Please, come on.
I might have one in my car.
I already got beat.
Right here.
Hey, please stop it. Stop! Stop!
Very bad.
Jennifer,
I don't have a
stop
hobble. I
it!
should have shackles.
Yeah! No, but let's go. Stop it. Stop it. No! No!
You got one?
No! God, please, no! No!
Roger.
I can't leave. Stop. Stop, please. I just want to leave. Please. Please. Please.
I don't know. I was gonna get his name, but then I was like, go sit in my
Follow
car.
me, boy.
And he's like,
Hey,
I'm
Corporal, I
super
got
high
gloves.
loss. I was like, sit in my
March
car.
38,
And I was like, sit in my fucking car.
Social Security 504. 2295. 504. 9562.
Nice. Listen up.
Stop.
God.
Please. Please.
There you go.
Please.
Was that? Sorry.
No.
Yeah, go for it, man.
Stop. Stop. I love my wife. I love my girlfriend.
Is everybody alright?
Yeah.
You guys want to swap out the
Huh?
Yeah.
Dog went.
I think you went, woohoo! Dude, I hope it tastes no.
Hey, look at me. Did you get punched? Did you get punched? That has blood on your lip.
Did you get cut on your lip?
I have no idea.
Yeah, Spencer, tag out.
What do you guys? Tag out.
Yeah,
Let's
tag
go
out.
get in here.
You clean up, take a look.
You good?
Well, just like,
Alright. Boys and girls, what car are we on then? Probably the closest one?
Spencer's car, right? Spencer, is this your car?
No,
Alright.
504.
Lives in Gary?
295. March
That's a pretty big boy.
Four of us.
559. 55.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Please stop it.
And let's watch out for positional sex.
Don't move
Sit
me.
down, easy. Hey. You're
Hey, no. Please, no more. Oh my
I just
god.
don't know.
Take
It's
him to
from-
prop and clear
Stop
him.
it, please.
Do we
Oh my
have
God.
to is what I'm wondering because
I can tell you what.
Put somebody in the back seat.
He hit his head? Or you punch him?
It was strikes. Yeah, taser strikes.
Oh.
You guys getting out of the back seat?
That was you?
hit me with my taser.
Because I punched him on that side of the face too.
Well,
Don't do that.
I didn't
No,
think that
sir.
I got him because it was
Hey,
I
hey
didn't see
Dylan, roll his window
I
up.
hit you several times in the head with my
Yeah, I
taser.
hit him right there where it's bleeding like 3 times, 2 or 3 times.
Huh. That was cool.
God.
He came in the store, him and his girl were arguing, and then he stood behind here and he wouldn't leave. That's when I
Where's
called
his
you.
girl at?
No idea.
Was he in a vehicle?
No.
Where's the dog?
No idea.
So his girl and the dog all came in the store? What'd the dog look like?
Brown and white.
You know about what breed?
It's a pit bull. Red nose.
Alright. So they're arguing, didn't they get physical between the two of them?
Huh?
Didn't they get physical between the two of them?
No, but she has come up here a couple times speaking up.
Do you know her name? No. Alright. And
She's come up here to try to call you guys because her man was beating her.
Alright. So she comes here fairly frequently?
Huh?
She comes here fairly frequently?
I'm sorry, bro.
No, I'm sorry too, dude. I get the last thing anyone wants to do is talk to the police, but
And I honestly, I don't like you guys. That's just me.
hey,
I've had a bad experience.
that's cool. But we come here for a reason, so
I
we
understand.
obviously we gotta go through the motions, man. So does she leave?
I assuming. I mean,
And then what does he start doing in the store?
he was. I mean, his stuff is still over there too. I don't know. These two are just kind of arguing at each other, and then she started to walk off, and then he got scared or something. He walked behind here. I tried to push him back to get him out.
Behind the counter?
Yeah. And he kept pushing back, and he went all around to the back. Adrian was trying to get him to leave, and he just wouldn't leave. He's like, I'm high, I'm tripping, and I'm scared.
What was he trying to do behind the counter?
No idea.
Did he make it back behind the counter?
No, he didn't get past like this part. He just got past like in the kitchen area. He didn't get behind. He didn't get close to the registers or nothing. He didn't try to.
So you say he's high and scared, and once you pushed him back, where did he go?
He just stood back there. He wouldn't leave.
Back behind the counter, or is back in the store?
Back in the back.
Back in that office?
Yeah. Well, the office isn't open. It's closed, but in that area.
And you guys told him multiple times to leave, and he wouldn't?
Yeah. She could probably explain it better than me.
All right.
I'm
All right. And so, and then once the officers got here, what happened?
He got out, he went to go to the car, and that's when 5, 6 of you guys showed up.
All right. So did he follow the officer out of the store?
Yeah, he followed him up to about to the sidewalk, and he went up to his car. Resisting, I guess.
Did it get physical?
A little bit.
What happened?
He went and walked.
And so what did the officer do?
I was focused on other things, so I thought y'all had it.
But I just want to know, what did you observe, dude? So
I
he wouldn't go to the car, and so then what happened?
I mean, I got it all on video, so.
All right.
I don't know, I mean, first dude tackled him, and then the girl came.
Was he fighting?
Huh?
Was he fighting, resisting?
Yeah. I mean, that's what it looked like. You know, 5 of you guys hitting him and shit.
No, the suspect.
Yeah. Same. Yeah.
So he was resisting being taken to
I
arrest?
mean, was he resisting?
I'm asking you,
I don't
bud.
know if he
It's
was
hard- I
resisting.
mean, you have to give what you feel because.
Yes, he was resisting. That's what it looked like. I mean, 6 of you guys on him.
He was just in there where the cashiers are, and he's standing back there being a weirdo. And I was just like, dude, you need to get the fuck out of their space. Like, you know, you don't got a mask. You're just, you just need to get out of there. So he started going, and hesitated, then they came in. And
The cops came in?
And then, one of them came in and told him to walk out. And then he just kept flipping out like being an idiot, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. What happened when we got out here? Did you see what happened?
The dog was going towards them, so I grabbed the dog.
Oh, cool. Thank you for that.
Pulled it away and fucking got the dog over there.
Okay, cool.
Gave it to the lady to take out. But yeah, the dog was going after them.
Okay. And then what about him? What was he doing? Was he going after him too?
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he was already on the ground by then.
Oh, but the dog was coming toward. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.